How to print on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way and features you can use while you print documents from Google Docs. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. So let me open one docs here, one file here. So it's opening. Okay, so here the file has opened. So there is a shortcut key for print. You can simply click Ctrl plus P and the print option will be visible here. Okay, you need to just type Ctrl plus P. Okay, hit the Ctrl plus P, then the printer window will be open like this. Or you can simply go into the file and go to the print. Okay, so here from here you can select your printer. In my case I don't have printer, so it is not showing here. So, if you go on, click on see more, you can see all your printer, then select your printer, it will be selected. Now you can print all page or you can customize. Okay, so in customize you can simply print one or two, or 1 to 5 means, okay, 1 to 5 you can simply, this error come because I have only one page here. So if you have 10 page and you want to print only 1 to 5, then just click, hit the one this dash option and then 5. Okay, and okay, and if you want to print from 6 to 10, you can hit the like this. Okay, or you can, if you want to print only one first page and 5 page, then only first page and 5 page. You don't want to print page number 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, you want to just print 1 and 5, then select 1, then comma, then 5. Okay, now I just select the all page, and here you can see the black and white color or color. If you have color printer, you can use the color option, then the print will be color, and this all color will be print as a original color. But if you want black white, just select the black and white. Okay, here you can see the margin. Your margin will be see preview here. So you want to change, you can change from here, page per sheet. If you want to two page in per sheet, then just select the two page, then the per sheet you will see two page. This is the first page, it here you can see the another page. In my case I have only one page, so it is look like this. Okay, background graphic, if you want, just select, if you want background graphic and just print, it will be print. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.